Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a clean, declutter, organize, and decorate with me in my room. It is a complete disaster, and this is how it looks after just about 2 days of not cleaning or picking up anything. So anyway, I'm also going to clean out my vanity. I think it takes me double the time to get ready just because I'm digging through everything and it's just a horrible mess in there. So I'm going to try to get that organized. And so anyway, I'm just going to start out by making my bed, and then I'm going to start cleaning up the mess. If you like videos like this, then please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'm going to jump into this. As I'm cleaning up the mess, I'm also taking some stuff out of the room as far as decor, and it will end up going back. Some of it will, but I just like to have a clean slate when I go to redecorate. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here. And I have not cleaned my vanity in so long. Like, it's just a disaster. I have a lot of makeup I need to get rid of. I have just so much going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort through that. What I had to do was take everything out and put it in different piles. And then I had to do that alone with my makeup, just to put everything in separate piles. And so I'm just going to organize that and then get it in the little baskets and get it back in there. I think it'll just make it a lot easier to get ready with it clean like this. Everything's put in its place. I have blushes, I have eyeliners, I have powders and foundations all in their own little baskets. So I think that that'll be a lot easier for me, and I recommend anyone doing this. And I got all of these little things from the Dollar Tree. Some of them were 3 for $1, some of them were 2 for $1, so it's really cheap. So anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. This is my baby Bug, and I just wanted to spend time with him. Well, he wanted to spend time with me, so I had to stop what I was doing for a minute and talk to him about some things. And then I'm gonna get back to cleaning. I'm just wiping everything down, dusting. I'm using my Method Wood for Good for the wood, and it smells like almond. It's great. And then I'm just using my glass cleaner for my windows and my mirror, and then I'm gonna start decorating. So I moved my mirror against the wall that my window's on, because I just feel like now I can really see my outfits and how they look, and it's not in that tight corner like it was before. Plus I have all of the natural light, so I can really see how I look instead of just seeing it kind of dark. So anyway, and also like my vanity doesn't have lights yet, so eventually one day it will, but I'll probably like put a little basket in my drawer of the makeup that I use like on the daily, so that way I can just bring it right here and do my makeup until I get lights, because I can see a lot better with it here with the window, the natural light coming in. So that wraps this up, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it got y'all motivated. I only spent about $16 to do this Konmari in my bedroom. I did get some bins for the closet, and I'll show y'all that if y'all want to see that in another video. And I plan on going back to do my bathroom and the kids' rooms and their bathroom and my craft space. So there's a lot going to be going on. So if you're interested in stuff like that, then please subscribe. And like I said, for my decor, I just moved some stuff around and brought stuff that was in other parts of my house that wasn't really vibing with me and put it in my bedroom to freshen it up and give the space a new look. So if you're looking for cheap ways to kind of spruce up your house or change it up, then just pull decor from other parts of your house. It really makes a big difference, and you never know, you might have something someplace that you really like and then decide to move it somewhere else and you like it even better. So, you know, just play around with your stuff. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.